Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back to share some projects that I'm going to be sending out. A swap that I am doing with the lovely Kim Kelly. It's going to be a summer swap we decided on doing. So this is what I'm going to be sending to her. So first of all, I found these foil letters in my stash and I thought it'd be quite nice to send those out to her. This collection, it's like a kit, card kit, so I thought that'd be quite nice. It comes with like ribbons and loads of different bits in there for her to make some cards. This is a card that I'm going to be sending to her. I think the lovely Jessica sent this to me, and I thought it'd be quite nice because it's kind of summery themed with the flamingo on there, so I thought that's quite nice. Kind of matched like the colours that I was made the bits to send out. So we decided, I think the only thing that we said that we were going to do was a couple of ATCs. I think everything else was kind of on the fact that it was going to be summer themed. Everything else was pretty much like, you know, up to each other, which what we wanted to do. So I have got the ATCs, but I wanted to share this with you. This was sent to me by the lovely Alex. I'm trying to think what Alex is. I do apologise, but I will leave all the channels that are kind of mentioned in this video. I will leave either their Instagrams or YouTube channels. I will kind of link them in the description so you can go and check them out. She sent this in a Christmas swap, I think. Yeah, I think it was a Christmas swap that we did. So the only thing that came off was there was a piece of paper on the front, and that came off, so I have stuck this patterned paper on the top. And I thought it matched really well actually with the fit, yeah, with the collection. And then I did make a different dangle because the one she sent me, I have put it onto an album that I've made, and it had my name on it as well. So I have made one for Kim to go on here. So I put some ribbons, some beads, and then I've put her name on there. So yeah, so she can take that off as well and take it apart, do what she wants with it. Yeah, so inside I've just put I've made this little like pocket out of vellum, and in here I've put a load of different like what do they call these, like pocket planner kind of bits and bobs, so you can write on them, cut them apart. There's quite a few different ones in there. And this little envelope, I think the lovely Jenny sent this in a swap that we did. I have just stuck a bee on there, and again there's loads. I won't take it all out, but there's loads of little bits and bobs in there. So that's in that pocket. There's another sort of summary embellishment in here. I'll share that in a minute actually. In here there's a load of I think there's stickers, there's little journaling pieces, there's some flower papers. I won't take it all out, but yeah, there's like postcards I think in there as well. And then this one we've got some travel embellishments. Again, I thought it's quite nice, summery. These are like it's like a sticker sheet, but you can cut the strips off. So that's in that side. That fitted all in there. And then this is a memory decks, and then in this end I just made this shaker. I'm trying to use up, I have this tub of little like odds and ends from different paper collections, whether that be like chipboard pieces or sequins and things. Yeah, I'm trying to use up as much as I can in that sort of tub. so I made, yeah, this memory decks out of the papers that were in there, and like the flowers and the buttons and that. And then in this pocket, I haven't written anything on the back of these yet, but I will do. But in this, I keep forgetting which end, in this pocket of this memory decks, I will put my ATCs. They will just slot in that bit. So these are the ATCs. Again, all in sort of summery themed. I put some flat back pearls on there, some stickers, that one that says summer break. Yeah, really cute. So that's that one. And then on the opposite side, in the back pocket there, I got some stickers in here, so like plant, different, yeah, plant themed stickers, so you can add to different projects. I then got these. Me and the kids love going to National Trust, and they had these like postcards in there, so I picked up a couple of these, and it's got like the history on the back, and then that one. So yeah, I picked up those. I thought they'd be quite fun. You can add this to different projects. You can cut it out, frame, and put it on different things. So I've got those. Made some rosettes, some flowers and stuff, little bits and bobs on there, so you can add to different projects. And then I got these bee toppers. I think these were from the works. I picked these up. Yeah, I picked up a couple of sets of these when I went, and I thought it'd be nice to send on to her. So that was in the back pocket, and then in the front pocket I got this again. I think this was, no, I think this was from the range actually. So it's all these little embellishments. You can, quite good to put these little wooden pieces in some shakers. Got these sequins, and then those, so that in there. And then I've been making some different embellishments, and I thought it'd be quite nice to send out a couple of these gumball machine shakers, so you can add those to some projects. So that's in that pocket. Yeah, so that's all I have to share in this video. I hope she likes what I've made for her. Like I said, it was just like a summer ATC, and obviously I wanted to send a few other bits out to her. Like I said in my previous video, when I shared what she sent to me, Kim doesn't have a YouTube, or if she does, she's not active on her YouTube, but she definitely has an Instagram that she posts on. So please go and check that out. I will leave it in the description. And yeah, I hope you're all having an awesome week, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.